Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to change Windows 11 default browser. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, going to your first of all going to your settings of your Windows. After that, go to your apps, click on default apps, search a app or a browser which is you want to as a default browser. So in my case is I want to set is a Google Chrome, so click on it. After doing this, right click on set default. So select it, Google Chrome. After that, close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.